Cookies, yummy. Refined sugar, yucky. That's why you need banana date nut cookies here on Plant-Based Made Simple. Let's cook. Cookies. Their origins come from Persia in about the 7th century, when sugar started to be commonly used. By the 14th century, cookies were common fare throughout Europe, all the way from the street vendor to royalty. The word cookie actually comes from the Dutch word koekje.
Koekje.
That would be my camera operator, who happens to be from the Netherlands, correcting my pronunciation. Koekje.
Koekje.
Because of our Dutch roots here in the US, by the 18th century, the term cookie really caught on. Today, with oatmeal being America's favorite, everybody loves a good cookie. By the way, this recipe can be found in my cookbook, Plant-Based Made Simple. You can find that right on Amazon. Just look up Plant-Based Made Simple with Carin Lynch. Our first ingredient, 4 ripe bananas. Then we have 2 3/4 cups of oats, 1 1/3 cup of dates chopped, and 3/4 cup of walnuts chopped, 3/4 cup of shredded unsweetened coconut, 3/4 cup of raisins, or you could use dried cranberries, 2 tablespoons of honey, raw blue agave or maple syrup, 1 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 cup of olive oil, and that's optional. Oats. They're actually one of the ancient grains. You might ask, what's an ancient grain? Well, it means that the oats are actually little or not at all changed since way back when they were first introduced into foods. Oats are full of soluble fiber, which helps control blood sugar and lower cholesterol. Oats also have insoluble fiber. That supports insulin sensitivity and helps reduce the risk of diabetes. All right, let's bake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, you want to mash up your bananas really good, and then you're going to add all your other ingredients and mix it really well. Take your cookie dough and refrigerate it for about 15 minutes, just so it can all get together and stay together really nice. Then, either using a cookie scoop or a tablespoon, drop rounded balls onto your cookie sheet. I make sure that I either put a silicone pad on my cookie sheet or some parchment paper so that my cookies don't stick. Flatten the cookie balls so that you have a nice cookie shape. Bake on the middle rack of your oven for about 25 to 30 minutes until your cookies are golden brown. Then you can remove it from the cookie sheet, let them cool, and then you're ready to eat. Look at these cookies. Healthy cookies, good enough to eat. So let's dive in. Wow, you've got a great crispiness, you've got a good chewy texture on the inside, and a wonderful sweetness, but not overly sweet. These are so delicious. And you know what you could do? You could actually take out the sweetener and make this a great breakfast cookie with oats, dates, walnuts, raisins, but the fruit, the dates and the raisins, make a great sweetness. So you're going to enjoy these cookies. Cookies. What an amazing birthday gift. But you know, even a better birthday gift for my camera operator, whose birthday is next week, and my birthday, which is a couple weeks after that, would be if you could subscribe to our YouTube channel here on DIY Health. Don't forget to hit the like And also hit the notification bell so that you can continue to keep up with all the videos that we put there on our YouTube channel. And don't forget to go to our Instagram, Wildwood DIY Health, where we do giveaways, we have behind the scenes, and it's just a lot of fun.